So welcome back to Hunter's Cooking Show. Today on Hunter's Cooking Show, we're gonna do something a little different. I know I say this every time, but like today I was walking around back in my woods and I found an exotic bird egg, nest, and there's three eggs in there. And this bird is different because they dig a deep hole, okay, just for their 3 or 4 eggs that they lay. And I'm really hoping they're still there so we can go out and fry them up, because I was told that they're a delicacy. So let's go see if we can find them. Okay, so we're just gonna walk right down here to where I saw this nest at. Kind of a downhill there. It's like really weird because that is. That's the hole right there. There's something inside it right now, so let's get low and try to get right behind it. So we're just gonna sneak around here. Okay, so the mom's not there, but there's the eggs. But this is what I mean by a giant hole. They just dig like this deep, deep hole. Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh, wow. Look at how big those eggs are. Oh. I'm gonna stick these in my pocket. That's a find and a half right there. You don't see those very often with this size. They're usually smaller eggs, but boy did we get lucky. The eggs in my pocket right here. Say hi to the quacking. But I got the eggs in my pocket. We're gonna just kind of walk inside. We're gonna cook them all up. Yeah. Just grab the eggs, and I heard some squawking from back in the woods, and I'm thinking that mom has come back for her babies, and she saw that they're not there. So we're gonna go grab her and eat her, cause like why not? So we're just walking up on the mama, and look at her. I'm just gonna set this down right here. I'm gonna go jump down in the hole and grab it. Got it! So we'll go take care of this the proper way. I won't show you guys because I might get a little dirty, but you'll make some good food. Yeah. So inside, I'm gonna quick wash them up, but before we do that, we should probably grab a bowl so when we crack them into there, like, we can whisk them all up and stuff for the plant I got. So goodness. So we'll get these cleaned up and cracked into there. All nice and washed up here. Looking kind of good. Let's get them all cracked up into this bowl here. These are a really thick shell, and there's like a really thick membrane on the inside of these eggs. Don't typically see them everywhere like. So now that we have all the eggs cracked, we need something to put in it. Oh yeah, milk. Yeah, so we'll get that from right up here. I'm just gonna take that cap off, you know. Just pour a little bit in there. A little bit more. That should be good. And I'm thinking seasoning. So, ooh, there we go. A little bit of some Mrs. Dash there, and what's that? Oh yeah, that's a good one there. Some garlic powder. You're gonna take that and just kind of sprinkle that in there. Be kind of generous. Take this cap off here. Sprinkle that in there. Put these caps on. Then get to mixing. Actually, I forgot. I need something to stir with because I forgot. So I'm gonna grab this. Just gonna stir, stir, stir. Make sure you pop these here once you're done all mixing it up. Stir for a while. I guess it's a long process of stirring. You got your eggs all mixed up. Set that down for a second. Yeah, come over here to your stove. You gotta find which one's the front. Set on about like 5. 5 sounds about good. And then lightning butter. So get yourself a healthy slice of that and just kind of flip it in there. And then when it's time to pour that in, it should go. Your pan's all warmed up. You got your butter melt. So you just want to kind of pour that all in there like that. Just flip her over real quick. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on that, and we'll be good to go. We're gonna grab the mom that we killed earlier today. And we're going to get her nice and sliced up. And we're just going to kind of make an omelet out of her. So I stuck her in our refrigerator here. I'm going to close that up. Get the cutting board out. Then we'll get, I think we're only going to take like 1 slice from her, but get that all nice and cubed up. And I'll show you after. Got this all diced up to my liking. And this is just about ready to flip. As you can see here, it's still a little loose on the top like this. So we'll give that like 2 more minutes on that side. And then we'll flip it. Then after that, we'll throw this on here. And then some cheese. Don't know where that came from, but there's just cheese sitting on the counter. Yeah, so. Okay, so it's ready to flip now. What I like to do first is I like to go around the edges of things just to break it free. Then you can just kind of slide it all around. Yeah, I'll just show you when it's flipped, I guess, because this is hard. Well, I butchered it. It's horrible. I'm actually thinking I'm just gonna scramble this here in a second. Like, it's really bad. I destroyed it, so I'm just gonna kind of come over here, grab my ham like this, kind of throw it in there like that. Yeah. So once you get that on there like that, I'm gonna throw this cheese in here. Hopefully this will hold it all together. Yeah, it's probably not going to work, but we'll hope for the best. Okay, so where did I leave my hot sauce? Oh yeah, that's right, I had in the shower last. Can't take a shower without your Red Hot. You just dabble that all over the place on that. Shh, I'll be using you later. Let's get back to the food. And there we go, bone apple titty. We have our food served. Okay, so let's test this out. But it still sucks. But I would totally recommend doing this step by step. Thanks for watching today's episode of Hunter's Cooking Show. Make sure to comment down below what I should cook next time, because I'm running out of ideas. And I'm not very smart, so I can't think of new ones. So, till later.